Hi guys, got another little lock. I couldn't help myself. I was in Walmart and I haven't tried one of these ones before, so I had to get it. It's a little BRINKS, as you can see. High security and weather resistant. And it'll take that cutting force. I don't quite know what that means. But this is a bit, 5 pins and pick resistant pins at that. And for us in California, cancer and reproductive harm warning. Yeah, that seems to be on everything in California for some reason. But okay, let's cut into it, because you never know, I might just get into this one, but I've got my doubts. I'm not feeling positive. Some days you feel you can pick anything and some you don't. Well, this is the one of the don't want days for me. Okay. Well, yep, it's 5 pins and there's the bitting on there. So let's have a go at single pin picking. See if that one wants to fit. Maybe find a better one. I don't know. Let's have a go at that. Okay. Not really looking at what I'm doing because I've got the camera in another position today. I don't like the feel of this for a start, but I'll carry on for a little while before I switch to another pick. Yeah, it's grabbing. Alright, what else have I got handy? Let's try this one. Can I grab? Oh, my battery light's flashing. It said I had 2 bars when I started, but it was lying. Yeah, there we go, got it. Well, I'm surprised. I didn't expect to be honest. Okay, let's just check it works fine. Yep, works fine. Alright, well that's just a little quick one. Kind of a nice looking lock. And I like the long shackle ones for picking because it sits in your hand nice. There's the keyway there. BRINKS. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Catch you later.